Living a drug-free life. Living a drug-free life is best to us human. I know that it's very hard for us to live a drug-free life because of peer pressure, but there are ways that we can help and prevent this. We can join programs like youth and enjoy activities that will help us prevent being a person that takes drugs. And I guarantee to you, my fellow brothers and sisters, that if we live a drug-free life, we will be enjoying during our youth and we will be achieving our goals. Thank you.
Okay. Let us live life with no big, no regrets. The more we use drugs, the more we can hurt. So let us love ourselves and stay away from drugs so that we can live in a drug-free world.
Living in a drug-free life is not easy, but you need to try your best. If you try your best, you can get what you're trying for. Try your best to be a successful person. To be successful, you will learn by your mistakes. Learn from your mistake is always like you're making mistakes and you learn from it.
Live a life without worrying about drugs. Live a life that you will benefit from one day instead of regretting it. If you are someone who's taking drugs, stop it. You have a bright future ahead of you.
When the seed is planted, your life has begun. That seed needs to be nurtured and cared for. But when faced with drugs, that seed has no hope to grow. So, live the drug-free life and benefit from the beauty of its blossom.